working on lesson 9 on page 187. And we're learning about understanding true and false equations. Okay? And what that means is we're trying to figure out what the equal sign means. The equal sign is a symbol that means the same as. For an equation to be true or correct, the quantities on both sides of the equal sign must be the same. Understanding this will help your child write and use equations to solve problems. Your child will be connecting cubes to explore the equal sign. For example, your child might use connecting cubes to solve the question 2 plus 3. Well, right now from home, we don't have the connecting cubes, but we do have erasers, and you could use the erasers to line them out, or you can also draw pictures. Okay, so we're learning about how 2 plus 3 is the same as 5. Yes, 2 plus 3 is 5, so 2 plus 3 is the same as 5. Your child's going to also use number bonds to answer questions such as, is 2 plus 3 the same as 1 plus 4? So here we have two different number bonds. We know that this is the whole because we can only have one total, right? So this has to be a part and this has to be a part, and they're all both going into the whole. This is my whole, my part, and my part. This is a part going into the whole. This is a part going into the whole. So you can see that the whole is equal to the whole over here. And what we're going to see is an example of a balance. So if we have an equation like, or if we have 3 and we have 4, no equations. We're just going to compare 3 and 4. If we have 3, 1, 2, 3 over here, and we have 4 over here, what would happen to my balance? It would go up, right? This side would go down, and this side of the scale would go up, right? If we had a teeter-totter, okay, and we have 3 friends on this side of the teeter-totter, and we have 2 friends on this side of the teeter-totter, which side is going to go up? Which side will go down? Right? These friends would end up here at the top of the teeter-totter, and these friends would end up at the bottom of the teeter-totter, which would make it not equal. And what we're trying to learn with equations is that we have to have the same amount on this side of the equation that we do on this side of the equation. So if I have something like an equation that looks like 4 plus 2 equals 7, we're going to see if that is equal or not equal, or true or false. Okay, so we want to know everything on this side, is it going to be equal to everything on this side? Well, let's put 4 plus 2 up here into our scale. So first we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have what? Right, we have 2 more. 1, new line, 2. So what is my total on this side? How many marks do I have up here? Right, I have 6. 5, 6. And my number over here is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7. Okay, so is 6 the same amount as 7? Or is 6 more or less than 7? This is less, right? And what happens when something is less on a teeter-totter? These friends tens would go to the top, and this 7 would go to the bottom. So these are not equal. Okay? Let's do one on our page. So if we go to page 189, it says explore true and false equations. Yesterday, there were 6 girls and 2 boys on the swings. Today, there are 4 boys and 4 girls on the swings. How many children played on the swings each day? Okay. So if I had, this is yesterday and this is today, I had 6 girls and 2 boys. When I hear that word and I'm going to put them together, that tells me that 6 is a part and 2 is a part. We know that a part plus a part is a whole. 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 Right? So we had 6 here plus the other part, which is 2. Okay? And I'm going to put equals because I know that this is my whole, right? So if I have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6. And I have 2 more, 1, 2. What is my whole? 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 on this side is equal to 8 on this side, right? 8 is equal to 8. So this equation all by itself is true. Okay, it is equal. 8 is equal to 8. 8 is the same as 8. Now I'm going to do the today part. Today there are 4 boys and 4 girls on the swings. How many children played on the swings each day? Oh, so we're going to compare this side to this side. So now we have to do 2 problems, right? We had this problem we've already solved, and we're going to solve this side over here. So we have 4 plus 4. Ooh, that's our addition double. Do you guys remember? 4 plus 4 equals, that's great. Let's draw it out if we didn't remember. We had 4 plus 4 more. Now I drew it different. Over here I put my parts together. Over here I kept them separate. Is that okay? Absolutely. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. That's great. That's our rhyme. So we can see that 4 and 4 is equal to 8. Let's look at a scale. So you don't have this paper, but that's okay. You can watch along with me. If I have 4 plus 4 and I have 8 on that side, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 4 more, 1, 2, 3, 4. What do I have? A total of 8, right? Is 8 equal to 8? Is 8 the same amount as 8? Yes, these are equal. 8 is equal to 8. 8 is the same as 8. So this is a true equation. So here we're going to look back at our problem again. Let's see if I can zoom that part in. Okay. So we had the equation 6 plus 2, right? 6 plus 2 equals 8. And we have the equation 4 plus 4 equals 8. So I'll write that. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay. Is this equation on this side equal to this equation on this side? Now I'm comparing two equations. Is 8 the same as 8? Yeah. Is 6 plus 2 the same as 4 plus 4? We said 6 plus 2 was 8, right? We said 4 plus 4 is 8. Is 8 equal to 8? Yes, it is.